All new from the ABC 15 investigators, a Maricopa County Sheriff's deputy under investigation accused of pretending to be a defense attorney in order to trick a woman and arrest her.
It's a serious allegation, one that violates one of the bedrocks of the criminal justice system. Here's ABC 15 investigator Dave Biscobang.
Never seen anything close to this. My partners at the law firm who have been practicing for almost 3 decades have not seen anything like this. This is crazy. Totally outrageous.
Andy Marcantel is a real defense attorney, and he's not happy with MCSO.
Bottom line here, we have a Maricopa County Sheriff's Office deputy who impersonated an attorney at your law firm.
That's correct.
Marcantel represents a minor in a criminal case, and he says the deputy was trying to trick his mother.
So he calls up the mother of one of your clients and says, "Hey, I'm attorney what?"
He says he's Attorney Brown from my law firm, and he cites my name, and he says, "I work for your attorney, Andy Marcantel, and he would like you to come in today for an interview. We'd like to interview you about the case."
But that was just a ruse, because the mother, in a separate past case, had an outstanding warrant for failing to appear.
And the plan was apparently to wait until she arrived at my law firm and, I guess, arrest her in the parking lot.
We're not naming the mother to protect her son's identity because names of juveniles in criminal cases are confidential. But Marcantel says the deputy is Jeffrey Miller. We checked the state database of police officers and found he's been a cop since 2003. And as for the ruse, the mother didn't buy it. She called the law firm, told them about the call, and they decided to call the same number back.
Guess who picks up the phone? Maricopa County Sheriff's deputy. He says, "Hello? Yes, is this somebody claiming to be Attorney Brown from my law firm?" And without missing a beat, he says, "Yep, that's me."
See, police can lie, deceive, and trick suspects during investigations. It happens a lot. But impersonating an attorney, well, that's a red line the blue line can't cross. The State Bar of Arizona sent us a statement saying, "No person may practice law in the state of Arizona or represent in any way that he or she may practice law in the state of Arizona unless that person is an active member of the state bar." Every attorney we checked with said they've never heard of this happening before. And this is the only similar example we could find. It's a decade-old article about a pair of Tennessee detectives who posed as defense attorneys. An appeals court decision called the ruse egregious, abhorrent, unconscionable, and reprehensible.
Marcantel says he filed a complaint with MCSO about Deputy Miller. That was almost 4 months ago when it first happened.
Now we're kind of in limbo. We're waiting to hear back from them, but we reach out to them and we're trying to figure out what's going on. They've told my staff they're just very busy. They can't get to it right now.
We reached out to MCSO for comment. A spokesperson didn't dispute the claims, but refused to comment, only saying, consistent with every other investigation, MCSO does not comment on pending litigation/investigation. Once the investigation is completed, you are free to reach out again with any questions you may have.
Now, who knows how long that will be? MCSO has a massive backlog of internal investigations. As of January this year, they had more than 2,000 misconduct cases open, and records show it was taking them an average of about 500 days to complete a case. I'm investigator Dave Biscobang, ABC 15, Arizona.
And you can find much more from our award-winning ABC 15 investigators. Their work always streaming on Roku, Amazon Fire, Android, and Apple TV.